This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played too. He played knick-knack on my...
Hello everybody, I'm Rebecca and welcome to Good to Know. This is our review channel, and today we're going to talk about our newest giveaway and review. Today is Sunday, September 22nd, so if you were here after our drawing, you can't enter, so please don't. The drawing for this camera will be on September the 29th, and I'll give you all the details, and they will also be in the Show More section. So we are giving away this wonderful, fun kids camera. This is so cool, you guys, and we bought this for a little surprise gift for our little grand niece, Lily. She had her tonsils removed, and we thought that this might help cheer her up. Her mom's a photographer.
Okay. Go ahead.
How cute is this? It looks like a little, I don't know, monster face. It's got a little monster tooth right there and little horns. This actually, the case is where the strap attaches. Come in closer. And this also comes with a card reader, and you guys, it comes with a 32 gigabyte little mini SD card, or micro SD card. And for the price that this comes with, for the price that this is, I mean, this alone is almost worth that. It also comes with a charger. This battery is a lithium powered battery, and it's rechargeable with your USB. And if you lose this, which the card plugs into this, and then this USB plugs into your computer, if you lose that, you can also use your regular adapter that might come with another card that you buy separately to plug that into your card reader on your laptop.
If you have GoPros, you know exactly what
That's
those
right.
are.
So let's get on with this, because this camera, oh, it also comes with an instruction booklet. Now this camera also comes in blue for boys, and it has different designs for the cover. Now when you take the cover off, Mom and Dad, this is how, you don't take your Mom and Dad's cover off. Mom and Dad, when you take the cover off, here's where the card goes in, and here's where the charger port goes in.
And that cover is at least a 1/4 inch thick will protect it, so if they drop it,
Right.
or it's not going to break.
And this whole thing just weighs just about 3 ounces, I think it was.
Very light.
Very lightweight, but it's also a sturdy little camera. It, here, let's turn it on. Push button turn on back here. And it has a little light up screen, but it's not a touch screen. We found that out when we were trying to touch it to get some of the pop-ups to come up.
You have to use your left and right arrows.
So you use the arrow keys
and hit the power button.
and hit power button for select. And this has games on it. It comes with 3 games. I just turned it off accidentally. But it comes with 3 games. So the game controller's like right here. And that way, you know, your kids can stay entertained in the car or wherever. But it has like a Tetris-like game, a snake game, and
something else, some box.
a boxing game that it's like moving the box around. Yeah. We don't know. But this thing takes really cute pictures. It has built-in frames, and it has, so this has fun frames that will automatically be added to the photo if you select them in the viewfinder. And it has stickers. John took a picture of me that had these big red lips. Look like big wax candy lips that we used to have when we were kids around Halloween. Has a bow tie, has a crown, has other little fun little so-called stickers that you can put on the images. And the images themselves came out really nice. We were impressed. I'm going to show you a screenshot.
Now this is not only a camera, it's a video.
It is a video camera, and we're going to take some video and show you how good the video is.
So we're going to take a quick video, and we're going to come back and we'll paste this into the video, and you'll get to see it.
So this is the comparison shot of the little baby camera and our regular camera. The video quality on this camera is 720 high def or it's a 1040 high def?
1080 high
1080
high def. This is the same as we shoot on the regular camera for our videos.
So the quality is supposed to be really good, and we just wanted to show you how it looks. So we're going to cut to...
I'm going to take couple of pictures,
photos so you can see how those look.
And we'll paste them in there.
This old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played too, he played knick-knack on my shoe with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played three, he played knick-knack on my knee with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man, he played four, he played knick-knack.
So I hope you enjoyed this review. We sure had fun playing with this camera, and we just really think it's an excellent value. It retails for $36.99, and if you can't wait for the drawing and you want to go ahead and get this, there's right now, I believe it's a 10% discount if you click the coupon on the Amazon page. Now, there are other, like I said, other options. It's not just a girl camera. They have the blue one for the boy, and they have other ones that are not little monsters that you can choose from also. So there are a lot of choices on this. So let's get to the info for the drawing. If you're interested in winning this drawing, then please use the keyword Kid Camera. It's KIDCAMERA. It's 2 words, Kid Camera. Now you must be a subscriber to this channel in order to be eligible to win. We do our drawing based on YouTube's randomizer, so the YouTuber will automatically select the winner. The drawing will be September the 29th, sometime that morning. We always do these in the morning, and we will have 1 winner. It's okay if you've won a prize from us before, you can still win this drawing if you've won a previous drawing. We're so glad to have you back, so we'll let you win just as often as you can.
Even though this is a cute kid's camera, it is adultified.
Right. I mean, it's something that you could use in a pinch. You know, if you know, also, you know, it's something fun. Like if you go to a party and you want to take some cute pictures, this is something good for adults too. And submit your entries down below in our comment section. If you win, we will tell you how to contact us, and it's just by sending an email to our personal email address. And don't think we have anything else. Oh, if you win and you're in the US or Canada, we're going to drop ship this from Amazon directly to you. And if you are overseas, we will be sending you a gift card for the amount of the
Amazon gift card.
Amazon gift card for the value of the camera. So good luck to everybody, and thank you for continuing to support this channel. Make sure you check us out on our cooking channel, and that one's called Cast Iron Skillet Kitchen. We really have a great time on that channel, and we really cook up some good food over there. So come back and see us. We'll see you in a week. Bye, everybody.
This old man, he played one, he played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. This old man